welcome back to Minshas world. Today I am going to show a special recipe. Full chicken roast. Honey chicken roast. It is the first time in YouTube. You must try it. Okay? We are going to prepare it. I am putting our full chicken into our big bowl. Okay. Next I am adding water. Next we can add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay. We need to soak it for 30 minutes. Next, we can make our honey chicken mix. Oil 4 tablespoons. Okay. Red chilli powder 5 spoons. Coriander powder 1 spoon. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons. Okay. Garam masala half teaspoon. Green chilli paste. Cummins and Fennel powder half teaspoon each. Lemon juice 1 lemon. Next, Kasthoori methi half teaspoon. Salt for taste. Next, we need to mix it well. After soaking, we need to go to our next step. Okay. Next, we need to do like this with the fork. Hold of the pot. Guys, we need to cover the chicken with the mix. Okay. Take here the mix. Details in the description box. Okay. My God, our full chicken is weird and red color. Friends, now it's ready. Next, we need to refrigerate for 1 hour. After refrigerating, our full chicken is ready for cooking. Next, friends, I take here a pan. Next, we need to add onion into it. This is 3 onions that chopped. Okay, let's start like this. We got it. Next, I'm adding oil. Okay. Next, we can add our full chicken into it. Oh my god. Okay. Friends, now we can add some more oil to it and close our pan. Okay. Okay. Now we can close our pan. Friends, now we need to on the gas. Okay. Okay. Next, we need to totally fry it for 45 minutes. Next, we need to make it in low flame.
20 minutes later.
After 20 minutes, we can flip our chicken. First, we can take the top. Oh yeah. Next, we need to flip our chicken. It's too beautiful to see. We can close it. Then, after few minutes, we can flip it again. Okay. Friends, we need to flip it again and again. Okay. Our full chicken is almost ready. Oh, it's too beautiful. Okay. Friends, our 45 minutes is over and our honey chicken roast is ready. Okay, let's take that back. My god, it's too beautiful. Friends, now our chicken roast is ready. Next, we had our main ingredient, honey. Here we can take that up. I'm adding 2 spoons of honey. Oh my god. Okay, next we can add. Friends, our honey roast is ready. Friends, now time to taste. Okay. Oh, good. Okay, looks amazing. Awesome! It's too tasty and yummy. All of you must try it today. So, if you watch my video, you need to subscribe, like, share, comment, and just press the bell button. Bye bye!